Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the best gadgets on Amazon. From must-haves to hidden gems, we're exploring the top-rated tech you need to know about. Let's get started. Now, let's discuss a useful tool. Looking for perfectly placed screws every time? This adjustable dimpler clutch is a game changer. With 4 depth settings, you can precisely control how deep your screws go, whether you're working with drywall, decking, particle board, or plywood. No more guesswork or uneven finishes. It comes with a specialized drywall bit designed for quick and clean drywall screw installation. Say goodbye to frustrating screw placements. This bit ensures a smooth and professional finish. The best part? This versatile attachment works with most drills, instantly turning them into a screw gun. No need to buy a separate tool. Just attach it to your existing drill and you're ready to go. Whether you're a DIYer tackling a home renovation or a pro on a job site, this screw gun attachment delivers consistent results across various materials. Plus, the built-in magnetic screw holder keeps screws securely in place, preventing drops and making your work faster and safer. It's a must-have for any toolbox. Let me tell you about this awesome oscillating multi-tool blade set. It's got 55 pieces, including 2 distinct saw blade types, which makes it incredibly versatile for tackling all sorts of cutting tasks. What's really impressive is the thoughtful design. The variety of tooth sizes and shapes makes cutting not only efficient, but also surprisingly comfortable. You can really feel the difference in how it handles. And these aren't flimsy blades either. They're made from tough, high-quality, thick-gauge high-carbon steel and bimetallic alloy steel, treated with some special process that makes them super durable and long-lasting. You can tell they're built to withstand some serious use. Plus, it's designed with a universal interface, so it works with over 95% of oscillating tools out there. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And if you run into any issues after buying, don't hesitate to contact us. We're happy to help. Let me tell you about this awesome razor scraper kit I picked up. It's a real game changer for tackling tough cleaning jobs. The feel's incredibly solid, thanks to its high-strength aluminum alloy frame. What's really clever is the 4-point blade positioning system. This keeps the blade securely in place, so you don't have to worry about it slipping or falling out mid-scrape. The handle is designed for comfort, providing a really good grip that minimizes hand fatigue, which is a big plus when you're working on a larger area. And let me tell you, the blade is seriously sharp. It makes cleaning so much easier and more efficient. Swapping out blades is quick and hassle-free too. This scraper is built to last, constructed from a combination of high-strength aluminum alloy, stainless steel, and durable engineering plastic. The non-slip handle and protective safety cover for storage are thoughtful additions. The 4-inch blade is a real-time saver, covering a much larger area than smaller scrapers. Combined with the ergonomic design, it makes even the toughest cleaning jobs feel less like a chore. Tired of wrestling with your hole punch? The AF-Mat 3-hole punch is a breath of fresh air. Its clever lever design means minimal effort even when punching through larger stacks, a huge plus for anyone with hand pain or arthritis. This thing is a beast. It effortlessly punches up to 40 sheets of paper at once, saving you tons of time and boosting your productivity. The action is smooth, quiet, and lightning fast, leaving perfectly clean holes every time. You'll be amazed by the crisp, clean cuts. Built from sturdy metal with 3 sharp punch pins, this punch is seriously heavy-duty. It's designed to last for years, unlike flimsy 2-hole or smaller punches. Its classic black design looks great in any office, classroom, or studio. The adjustable paper guide and end stopper ensure consistent, perfectly aligned holes every time, regardless of paper size. No more fiddling or readjusting thick stacks. Plus, the large capacity means less frequent emptying. And if you ever do get a jam, simply open the bottom cover for easy cleanup. If you want a reliable, powerful, and easy-to-use 3-hole punch, the AF-Mat is the way to go. Cleaning just got a whole lot easier. The Libigo electric spin scrubber takes the hassle out of household chores. For stubborn grime, a quick 5-minute pre-soak with detergent does the trick. This powerful scrubber boasts a high-speed motor that spins up to 400 RPM, making light work of tough cleaning jobs on shower tiles, bathtubs, and floors. You'll get a sparkling clean every time, with minimal effort. Enjoy up to 90 minutes of cordless cleaning on a single 3.5-hour charge. No tangled cords to worry about, so you can easily reach every nook and cranny. Plus, it operates at under 70 dBm, so it won't be too loud. The Libigo comes with 7 interchangeable brush heads, perfect for tackling different surfaces, from bathroom tiles and grout to car interiors. It even has a detachable, extendable metal rod, so you can easily reach high spots, tight corners, and under furniture. Cleaning under the sink, or those hard-to-reach ceiling corners, is now a breeze. Click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your life. Looking for a powerful yet portable pressure washer? This one packs a punch with up to 2,500 psi and 1.76 GPM, making quick work of tough grime. The Pro-style extendable 17.5-inch steel wand with quick connect nozzles gives you great reach and versatility. Despite its power, it's surprisingly compact and lightweight, making it easy to store and move around. The 4 quick lock wheels with 360-degree steering and a low center of gravity prevent tipping, which is a nice touch. The 25-foot easy coil nylon braided hose is a definite plus, and the 20-ounce onboard soap tank lets you add detergent for extra cleaning power on everything from decks and driveways to patio furniture and cars. Plus, the pump automatically shuts off when you release the trigger, saving energy and extending the life of the motor. If you need a powerful and portable pressure washer for various cleaning tasks, this is definitely worth checking out. Need a versatile marking tool that adapts to your every need? This scriber is a game changer. By simply adjusting the tightness of the holder and nut, you can create various shapes for any project. Plus, it locks securely after each adjustment, ensuring pinpoint accuracy. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy with an anodized finish, this tool is built to last. The clear scale markings make drawing parallel lines and arcs a breeze, letting you bring your ideas to life with ease. Its compact size and lightweight design mean you can easily slip it into your pocket. The clever shirt-trouser clip makes carrying and storing it even more convenient. This isn't just a simple scriber, it's a multifunctional powerhouse with over 15 marking applications. From tiling and paving to stud walls, paneling, shop fitting, and built-in furniture, this tool has you covered. Looking for a quick and easy way to smooth out rough edges on your woodworking projects? The Soccer Chamfer plane is a handy tool that makes quick work of edge trimming. It's designed for speed and accuracy, letting you easily swap out drill bits for different tasks. This little plane is perfect for chamfering all types of wood, and you can adjust the cutting depth to suit your needs. It even has built-in horizontal and vertical bubbles to help you keep things level. The comfortable grip and compact size make it easy to handle, ensuring a smooth and even finish. The Soccer plane comes with multiple sharp, high-strength carbon steel blades for efficient cutting. A black safety edge is also included, which is a great feature, especially for beginners. The Soccer Chamfer plane is versatile enough for various projects, including metal gypsum board edge planing. It's also easy to disassemble and reassemble, making it a convenient addition to any toolbox. When cutting precise angles on panels, it is difficult and not very aesthetically pleasing. These track clamps are a must-have for anyone using a WTX or NGX T-Track saw guide. They quickly and accurately secure your guide to materials like plywood and MDF, ensuring clean, consistent cuts every time. Attaching these clamps is a breeze. Simply slide them onto the top or bottom of your saw guide rail for a rock-solid grip. The speed nut makes adjustments effortless, so you can quickly fine-tune the clamping pressure. Worried about damaging your materials? Don't be. These clamps hold your guide firmly in place without leaving scratches or marks, keeping your projects pristine. The powerful clamping mechanism prevents slippage, even during angled cuts, letting you work confidently and efficiently. Beyond just saw guides, these versatile clamps are built tough and can be used as work stops, vices, or to boost holding power with other T-track accessories.